Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain how you can get a voided check from USAA online. So, all you need to do is first log into USAA account, right? Open up your web browser, go to this URL, www.usaa.com. Click on login, enter your username and password. Then what you need to do, guys, is you need to go to your checking account details, right? Once logged in, navigate to your checking account, click on your account name or number to open the details page. Now, right here, what I need you to do is I need you to locate your routing and account numbers. Your routing number and account numbers are actually listed here, and these are basically the key details that would normally appear on a voided check. Now, here you will need to create a voided check document if needed. Because, since USSA does not issue traditional voided checks, you need to make your own, right? Open up a blank document either on a Word, Google Notes, Notepad, Google Doc, anything like that. Enter USSA check-in account details. Your bank name will be your USSA Federal Savings Bank. Your routing number will be found in your account details. Account number you'll also found in your account details. You just want to go ahead and type void across the document in large bold letters. And then you can just go ahead and save or print the document as needed. And then you just need to use a USAA direct deposit form if you are setting up direct deposit, okay? Go ahead and do that. And if you need official documentation, it's always a good idea to go ahead and contact their customer service. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.